latest disastrous chapter in West Indies cricket knocked out of contention for a place in the ICC World Cup by some minnows. And it seems we have very short memories. Where are the people, including the sellout members of our very own Jamaica Cricket Board, who gang up and kicked Dave Cameron out of office, claiming he was the problem with West Indies cricket? You all remember a politician named Dr. Keith Mitchell and another one named Ralph Gonsalves. These people declared Dave Cameron the monster and the poison that had to be removed to save West Indies cricket. Hold them so silent now? While the cricketer get worse and worse and worse. All of them players who never wanted to play for Dave Cameron. Let me ask you this. Ricky Skerritt, I know this one named Dr. Shallow. Out of them and Dave, who has made worse decisions with worse consequences for West Indies cricket. Eh? And while we welcome the breaking news that they will be hiring a Chinese coach named Su Win Wan. But all of who said Dave Cameron was the problem with West Indies cricket.
Where they must chain it and chip class where we put it on the board where you chat where they must